Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Nareth and welcome to another videos of Style Him Now, a channel that is dedicated to helping you improve your lifestyle, your fashion style, and your confidence. Now in this video we are going to review a boots cleaning products by this company called Granger. Now in front of me is a pair of boots that I've owned for quite a long time. This boot has not been washed for over 2 years. I've never used this product to clean my boots before. This is the first time, so without further ado, let's get to it. With me, besides the cleaning products, the boots, I also have a little buckets of water with some wet towels in this, and let's get to cleaning. In this product, it came with 4 different kind of little things. So when you buy this product, it came with the cleaning products itself, some brush, footwear repellent, so if you want to waterproof your boots, and they also come with a leather conditioner. And the first thing they recommend is use the damp towels and just kind of wipe down the boots to clean off some dirt first before we get to cleaning the boots. So let's do that first. This boot went through a lot of work, so it's gonna require a lot of cleaning. Alright, so without further ado, let's apply this cleaning products onto the boots and let's see how well it cleans. Shake it really well to get the products mixed up. Just kind of spray them everywhere and then use the brushes to kind of brush away all the dirt. I actually put a dirty white t-shirt at the bottom of it, so when I clean it I can actually see the dirt coming out. You can see the dirt do come out. Now we're just gonna let it dry. I'll see you back in a bit as soon as the boots dry. Alright, welcome back everyone. The boots came out pretty nice. I actually got rid of a lot of dirt, so this thing worked really well. After everything dried out, my leather boot does got very dry, so we are going to condition my boots a little bit, so I give it a little bit more life and make it look a little bit more vibrant. And now let's start condition this leather. I have a dry rag here. What I'm going to do is basically apply the leather conditioner onto the boots. Use the dry rag to just spread it evenly throughout the boots. And there you go, just like that, the boot, it looks brand new again. My final thought is that I'm very surprised with this spray. It actually got a lot of dirt out pretty fast. So between scrubbing and applying this, it only takes me about 7 minutes to completely clean the boots out. This is actually a pretty good product. I would recommend this. So this is the end. I really hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.